So what's going on, barbecue family? I'm John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Today I'm doing a dry aged New York strip from Porter Road, and it's gonna be good. So stick around, let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the star of the show. It is a dry aged New York strip. We are just under a pound here. Let's take a look at it in the packaging here. We'll go ahead and get this out of the package and I'll bring you back and we'll get it seasoned. All right, so here she is unpackaged and ready to go. As you can see, it's a good cut of meat here. We've got a little bit of a fat cap on this side, a little bit at the top here. Really good intramuscular fat marbling there. Definitely could smell a difference in this dry aged meat. It smells a little different than the regular steak that I'm accustomed to cooking. So we'll go ahead and get this seasoned. I'm gonna keep it simple today. We'll be using the General by PS Seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. It's just their blend, so we will season up with that. That looks good to me. And we will be using the Meat Stick X as well for this cook. If you would like to pick yourself up one, I will leave a link in the description and you can receive 10% off. So the coals are just about ready and I will bring you over and we'll get this steak on. All right, so this good charcoal is screaming hot. As you can see, we have a direct side and an indirect side. We're gonna go ahead and place the steak on the direct side and let it get a sear on both sides, and then we'll be ready to pull it off. Listen to that sound. Listen to that sound. All right, everybody, so you've seen the steak is on. I've already flipped it once. This is not gonna be a long cook. I plan to take it to about 135 and then take it off, let it rest. Like I said, I've already flipped it once. I'm keeping an eye on it, and I will bring you back when I flip it again. We'll get it off and we'll let it rest for a bit, and we'll be ready to cut into this thing and see how it tastes. So I'll bring you back. All right, guys, and just like that, we are tempered at 135. We are done. We're about to pull this thing. We'll let it rest for a minute and we'll cut into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that didn't take long at all. About 10 minutes on the cook time. We've let it rest about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and cut into this New York strip, see how we done, and give this thing a taste test. All right, let's take a slice out of here. How about that? I think that looks pretty good to me. What about you? All right, so let's taste it. All right, guys, so here we go. So this being the first time having dry aged steak, I can definitely tell a difference in the flavor. It is amazing, man. This tastes great. It's probably one of the best steaks I've tasted. All right, guys, again, so this New York strip from Porter Road was excellent. Porter Road is an excellent company to be a part of. I'm so happy that I'm one of their affiliates. So I will definitely leave a link in the description. Go check out the website. Order under my link and I'll receive a little bit of a kickback from it, but you will not be disappointed in the quality meat that these guys produce. And as always, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for rocking with Salt, Pepper, and Fire and checking out the video. Please leave me a comment, a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And until next time, we'll see you guys, and roll tide.